How to access $clone airdrop with confidential layer. Key takeaways. Confidential layer allocates 35% of $clone tokens for airdrops and community incentives. Participants complete tasks across 4 structured portals for rewards. Early involvement in untokenized projects may lead to future governance token airdrops. Confidential layer is distributing its $clone token through an airdrop campaign. Designed for privacy-focused blockchains like Monero, the platform provides secure and anonymous asset transfers through a non-custodial bridge. The airdrop involves tasks that encourage community participation and ecosystem engagement. Confidential layer $clone airdrop details. Confidential layer allocates 35% of $clone tokens to airdrops and incentives. Participants can follow a structured process across several portals to qualify for rewards. These tasks involve connecting accounts, engaging in activities, and inviting others to the platform. $clone Portal 1 Mandatory Tasks. To begin, participants must complete essential steps. First, connect both your X account and email on the platform. Then, claim the Guardian role, a requirement to progress in the campaign. These tasks are necessary for unlocking further opportunities in the airdrop process. Portal 2 Optional Actions for Higher Rewards. Participants can boost their rewards through optional activities. Share your invite link with 10 friends to increase engagement. Upgrade your Guardian role to access additional benefits. These steps are not mandatory, but can enhance participation outcomes. Portal 3 Main Farming Tasks. Portal 3 is the central stage of the airdrop campaign. Connect and verify your Discord account to join Confidential Layer's community. Complete daily tasks, including reposting campaign posts, engaging with partner tasks, and creating posts about the campaign. Players can also earn space miles for daily activities, like nickname changes on X and Discord or completing Flask tasks. Once 500 space miles are earned, activate the portal to spin for cards. Collect cards to unlock the mythical card, which provides added rewards. Portal 4 Invite-based multipliers. Participants can also multiply their rewards by inviting others. Each successful referral increases your rewards, providing additional incentives for active community involvement. Projects without tokens. Additionally, for users exploring other opportunities, tracking projects without tokens may lead to future airdrop eligibility. Notably, early involvement could offer governance token rewards from emerging projects in the privacy-focused blockchain or DeFi ecosystem.